So this is my oldest son, and he moved out. Yay! And he has me here today. Of course, he's gonna call his mom to help him decorate, but today we're just starting in his bathroom, and I figured I would bring y'all along because this is a apartment. It's in a rental space, and if some of you all have apartments and you want to see how you can decorate your apartment and still get your deposit back, then watch this video. So you all know that I recently did my bathroom at the house and I used a peel and stick vinyl, and I'm gonna do the same thing in here. So my son does not like the floor. I don't care for the floor either. It's pretty just bland in here, so we really want to give it a moody, more masculine vibe. So I have gone for a darker look. So we're gonna start sticking these tile down, get the floor out the way first because it's probably the biggest part of the makeover, and then after that I'll show you some other things that you can do to enhance your rental space. All right, so this is the tile that we are going for. This is peel and stick, just like the other one. But again, because this is a rental space, I will not be grouting. We're just gonna put these down, stick them to the floor, and give this space a much more updated look. So I did want to come on here today and talk to you guys about something different, but still very important. So we spend a lot of time making our homes perfect and beautiful for our loved ones, but in the midst, sometimes we forget to take care of ourselves. So I've been dealing with some big changes. So I have a son that went off to college, and then as you can see, Kevin here just recently moved out on his own. And while I am so proud of them, it has still been a tough transition. I've been feeling excitement for them, but then still a bit of sadness for myself. And sometimes it can be a lot to handle. And I know some of you might be dealing with the same things, especially it's back to school season if you have kids in college like I am. So that's why I wanted to introduce today's sponsor, BetterHelp. BetterHelp is an online therapy service that allows you to connect with a licensed therapist right from your phone. So whether you're dealing with the emotional challenge of an empty nest, trying to balance taking care of your family, or just find time for yourself or any other life stressors, BetterHelp is here to support you. You can do it all from your phone or computer via phone call, video chat, or messaging, however you feel comfortable. It's the easiest way possible to start talking to a therapist. I've been using BetterHelp to talk through my feelings about this new stage of life, and it's been very helpful. So just having someone to listen or offer professional advice has made a huge difference, and that's what I want for you too. If you've been feeling like you need someone to talk to, then I encourage you to try BetterHelp. They've offered a special discount for my viewers. Just go to betterhelp.com/NisiDoesIt or choose Nisi Does It at sign up and then enjoy a special discount off of your first month. And remember, it's okay to take time for yourself. We deserve to feel supported and cared for just like we do for our families. All right, so let's get back to the video. Y'all, my drill man showed up. Alrighty guys, so we finished the floor, everything is looking good, but now I wanted to zhuzh up this mirror just a little bit. And of course, we don't want to use anything that would damage the mirror. So I found this peel and stick border on Amazon, and we're just going to use this border to line the edges of the mirror and just make it look more custom, more built in, a little better than just a piece of glass on the wall. To give it a little bit of a better look, I just cut an angle at the bottom there. So once I put this on, it's gonna give the look of like a 45-degree angle instead of it just being just a straight line. So we'll see how it looks. I'll get closer and show y'all in just a second. All right, so I wanted to just show y'all real quick. You technically only have to cut one of the edges because that's the top. This is the part that I cut already. And we're just gonna lay that right on top. And then we'll just cut the excess off with a razor knife. But as you can see, because I made the cut on one, I didn't have to cut both. So I did get a similar shower curtain to the one that my son has because I actually think that this did look decent. But as you can see, it is way too short. And we can't drop the shower curtain pole down anymore because the tile stops there. So I had to purchase a 96-inch shower curtain. So if you guys have this dilemma, they do sell shower curtains at different lengths. So you can get like a 10-foot, a 9-footer. So I'm going to put up this one, which is similar to this one, but just the right length. All right, you guys, home stretch. We're just going to put in a little decor and then we're going to reveal the space to my son and see what he thinks. Yeah, just open the door all the way.
Alright. Dang. That junk look completely different. That is crazy.
Like it?
That's raw.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's raw too. What? That's so raw. What did you, how you did that?
It's peeling stick.
But it's on the mirror, right?
Yeah.
That's raw. That's so raw. That's not raw. Dang, that's not raw. And that's so sweet. Yeah, soccer. Yeah, touching the ground better. Lean.
Oh, hold on. Let me get the people. Let me get YouTube.
This is like a completely different like bathroom. It don't even look like where we at, you know what I'm saying? It looked completely different.
Yeah, the floor made a big difference.
It did though.
Yeah. Like it?
Mm-hmm. Oh, this sounds sweet. This sounds sweet. I could have did it.
Right.